The trade setup for Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty will be explained here. If you see, I have marked the important levels here: 25, 26 to 48, 26 179, 26 161, and the yesterday's swing low of 2664 and previous swing low of 2643, 25 989, and so on. And if you see here, the one marked in dotted line is the 8 EMA of 25 979, and I have also marked 20 EMA of 25 820. This will be reference helpful for you performing your trade for today. And going to Bank Nifty, I have marked the day's high of Bank Nifty 59 441, 59 229, 59 152 is the yesterday's high from which Bank Nifty started selling, and also 59 125 is where the last selling happened, and also 58 823 is the day's low, 58 763 is the swing low. If you see here, from here the market took support and rallied, and also 58 688. Here if you see the one with the big dotted line, this is called Virgin CPR. Here if you see, the market yesterday did not reach the CPR. So the Virgin CPR means if the price doesn't reach the CPR at least once in a day is called Virgin CPR. There are high chances that the market can take if the market gap ups above this level, high chances are it can take a support and continue its rally, or if it gaps down below it, high chances that it can be act as a resistance and rallies down. And I have also marked the 20 EM 8 EMA here, which is the 58 807 and 20 EMA 58 292. You can take a snippet of this so it will be helpful in performing your day trade.